In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Framer in just 5 minutes. We'll cover all the essential steps, from setting up your project to publishing your finished carousel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the Framer website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Alright, now that you're in, open a project where you'd like to add the carousel. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to create a new project. Next, to start setting up your carousel, you're going to click on Layout. Alternatively, you can simply tap the F key on your keyboard. This will create a frame that serves as the container for your carousel items. Think of this frame as your starting point, where all your carousel content will eventually live. Now, within this frame, fill it with the content you desire for a single slide. This could include images, text, or any other components you want to showcase. Be creative here. The content you add will be what your users interact with as they click through each slide. After you have your initial slide set up, it's time to multiply it. Use the command Ctrl+D on a Windows computer or CMD+D if you're on a Mac to duplicate this frame. You'll want to do this multiple times so that you have a series of slides that make up your carousel. Ensure each of these duplicated slides is positioned next to one another so they flow seamlessly. Now that you have your slides ready, let's create the actual carousel. Click on Insert and navigate to the Interactive section. From here, select Carousel and drag its nodes so that it fits the size you'd like it to appear within your frame. Experiment with the size until you're happy with its layout. To configure the carousel, double-click on the space designated for it. Look to the right sidebar, and you'll find the Carousel tab waiting for you. A key step here is to connect your frames to the carousel. Click on the field next to Children. A pop-up box will appear, prompting you to add items. Here, you'll select an item from the drop-down box and include it in the carousel. Continue this process until you've added all your frames. With everything set up on the technical side, it's time to test your creation. Click on Preview or the Play button located at the upper right corner of your screen. This will give you a sense of how your carousel looks and functions from the user's standpoint. Finally, before wrapping up, don't forget to publish your project to ensure all the changes are saved. Now you have a fully functioning carousel right here in Framer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.